Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Rose and Rag.
So guys, if you're joining us for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel as well. So right now we've come to the top of this particular mountain, which is so beautiful. You've got amazing views. And by the way, if you haven't checked out our previous vlog, we've gone downhill to the same mountain where we've got these beautiful streams of water. We've sort of walked over a foot-over bridge as well and some amazing trekking views there. So we've covered that in our previous vlog. Do check that out as well. In this vlog, we'll be showing you a 360 degrees view from this particular mountain top view, which is one of the highest views, isn't it?
Yeah, one of the highest. Yeah.
Yes. And what's this place called?
Kirklees.
Kirklees, yeah. So it's based in England and it's really beautiful as well. Although this is still pandemic, we're still in our kind of local postcode, so we're not breaching any rules, but we thought we'll show you some beautiful views around as well, so you can enjoy your day as well.
Yeah, and this place is particularly very famous, especially it comes often in the news.
Yes.
One of the main reason is people do barbecues and some people smoke here and they just leave all the fire stuff here, and what happens is it catches the fire all over the mountains, and for that particular reason government actually banned doing barbecues in these places like this.
Yeah, so don't do any barbecue guys, as we already know, and do stay with us till the end guys. I'm sure you'll love this vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel as well. So guys, this is the view from the parking lot. As you can see, we have quite a few people who've come here today. Not very crowded, and that was really lucky for us given the current circumstances as well. And Kirklees is such a beautiful place. Even the walk to this particular location is so beautiful. And if you just check the view around as well, you can see the clouds and the sky and that mountain there, and down there you can see this particular water body. I think it's kind of a lake down there as well, and amazing views, you know, with respect to the greenery side of aspect as well, and then just the mountainous view, the hilly side view as well. It was a perfect balance on that particular day. And the other sort of cherry on the cake was that it was really windy as well, which you will see further as we go ahead in the vlog. And the kind of strength this wind had was very different to the usual areas that we go to, because firstly it's on a mountain top, so you can imagine how strong the winds must have been. And you can see a lot of people around as well, just trying to have their little adventure here. So we could see some people just walking around and just trying to climb the different other hilly side of the area as well. So all in all, this particular trip was a super rejuvenating session as well for us. You know, we were so relaxed and just, you know, one with nature that day. And you can see me walking there like totally in the mood as well, you know, just literally, you know, being there, enjoying, taking that particular peace inside me as well. It was so beautiful, not noisy at all, but the wind, like I said, it was so powerful. And that was an adventure in itself to experience that kind of climate, because especially in the UK, of course, you've got different kind of climate pretty much every day. I'm sure people who live here would agree. But this was a different kind of adventure as well, with the strong winds. And just check out the beauty around, guys. I don't know whether you've been to a location like this, but it was so amazing. Firstly, like I said, you know, there were not many people around, but the weather was kind of different as well. That sort of adventure theme ran through the weather aspect as well, with respect to the winds. And then just standing there on top of the mountain, that feeling itself was so different. You just felt like, I felt like the queen of the world, to be honest. It was so amazing. And you can see my hair like all over the place. And that's what I meant by the powerful winds. But that experience itself was so beautiful, you know, just standing there, just, you know, enjoying the views around and just pretty much just living in the moment, you know, how they call it, living in the moment. And that's what we pretty much did on that particular day as well. So guys, I hope you like this vlog. I'm not sure if you guys have been to such locations, or do you like trekking, you know, visiting different mountain areas, hilly side areas, lake views, or different such locations. If you've got any pictures or any videos that you would like to share with us, feel free to mention your suggestions in the comment section as well. And of course, do share your adventure stories with us as well. Are you guys daredevils like this? Well, it may not be a super adventurous task for most of you, but by far this was one of the adventurous tasks for us, because, you know, walking through the edge of the mountain here, as you can see, I think because of the weather you're not really able to make out how steep that particular area is, because it's not that sunny. But usually this whole area is actually proper steepy, you know, it's like a proper hillside corner. And then walking through that corner itself, I was pretty much scared, because as you can see, that's why my pace is super slow, because I didn't want to slide down, obviously not. But the whole experience, just standing there, just looking at that particular picture, it's such a perfect picture. If you can see like the clouds, I feel so close to the clouds as well now when I'm watching the video with you. It's so beautiful, and that amazing sky view as well, along with all the mountainous views all around. It's like a 360-degree view of all mountains, and then downhill when you can see all these different grasslands as well. So what a spectacular day, and what a best way to spend our weekend as well. So this is what we did, guys, over the weekend. Do share your views as well. What have you done over the weekend? And if you've done anything as adventurous as this. And of course, like I said, do share your comments with us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well, guys. See you soon. Bye.